So,
Sorry.
yeah? President, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm glad to be here and have this opportunity to share some information to you and to tell you also my commitment. Honorable Deputy Minister, ladies and gentlemen, let me first congratulate President Kikwete on his task as chairperson of Troika. It's not so easy. I know exactly how to finalize and to do the job like this because it's a big responsibility. And the outcome is this communique, and the outcome of communique for DRC and Madagascar, Zimbabwe. I know about this. I understand very well the principles and values which are fundamental to the restoration of a constitutional normalcy in Madagascar, in my beloved country. He said, after my forced to leave Madagascar in 2009, 17th of March 2009, my return to Madagascar has become the big issue in this transition. And I know also the national interest, we have to put it above all. So I respect the outcome of this double Troika summit and the SADC decision, because I trust SADC, I trust Troika. So, Mr. President, believe me, I take this decision not to participate in the election, and I would like to ask also Rajola to do the same for the sake of our people. I think most of you, or all of you, know I was elected twice democratically in Madagascar, in 2002 and 2007. And I was forced to leave my country. I don't want to extend the story about it, but I want just to say to you, in my heart, I want to help my Malagasy people. And I'd like to thank you again, Mr. President, because the situation in Madagascar right now is very, very, very difficult. The living life and security are very, very tough. So it's time for me to tell to the world and the international community to say in the same voice to help Madagascar, because it is the poorest country in SADC. And I don't want Madagascar to become a bad example in the continent. When I left Madagascar, the economic growth was 7.8%. Now it's negative. I don't want also to say what happened there, but the most important thing for me is this decision. We are reached the point to find the final decision to the Malagasy people. And I trust SADC, as I say, and I fully endorse the outcome of the summit resolution. Mr. President, I say my return to Madagascar is the major stumbling block But I trust you also to help me to return, because it's so long time I didn't see my relative. My son is my son is in Madagascar. I didn't see him for a long time. So it's hard. So let me go back, and as a state unreservedly, I'm going back not to bring war, I'm going back to bring peace. I'm going back to reconstruct our country. And I decide to work together with the Malagasy people. I did it before, but I want to say I have to forgive everybody, and I have to work together to strengthen again our effort, our courage to build our country, because it's time for our country to work together. So I appreciate very much indeed this opportunity to tell you my decision, and thank you, Mr. President, to organize this press conference. And if you have some question, I'm ready to answer it, because it's so important for me to meet you also. Thank you.
Thank you, President.
Somebody will need to speak a French translation? A French media? Yeah. Say it in French, it will be recorded.
French?
Yeah, say it in French, don't worry.
Okay.
Then we'll send it to Radio France International.
Maybe I forget it.
Oh, you do? You have now.
No, no. Ok. Mesdames et messieurs, je suis très content d'être avec vous ce soir. Et j'espère que j'ai l'occasion de vous dire la décision que j'ai décidée. Je prends la décision de ne pas se présenter à la prochaine élection présidentielle pour le bien-être de mon pays. Parce que je vois que il est temps maintenant de travailler ensemble, de restaurer, de reconstruire notre pays, et aussi de retourner travailler ensemble avec tous les Malgaches. Vous savez que les Malgaches sont des pays, des gens très très pacifiques. Mais malheureusement, nous avons eu cette coup à Madagascar. J'étais forcé de quitter Madagascar en 2009. Et mon retour à Madagascar est devenu le grand problème pour résoudre les crises politiques à Madagascar. Et ensuite, après la décision de la SADC, je suis convaincu que le respect et la dignité de la SADC s'acceptent. Je vais respecter la résolution du sommet de la SADC. Donc, croyez-moi que d'ici quelques temps, nous allons reconstruire notre pays et nous allons encore retourner dans la scène internationale. Vous savez bien aussi que Madagascar est suspendu à cause de ces coups. Et jusque maintenant, nous n'avons plus de support ou d'assistance de l'extérieur. Tous les bailleurs de fonds sont quittés, tous les partenaires étrangers sont quittés. Et j'appelle aussi les partenaires de travailler ensemble avec le Malgache, parce que c'est très important de garder cette confiance. On ne peut pas faire avancer sans la confiance. Donc c'est la raison que j'accepte. Il faut d'abord créer la confiance et travailler ensemble, et on verra les résultats. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.